Hi, and welcome back. Today we're taking a look at custom page generation on iOS and how you can use it to quickly create new pages in your vocabulary file. Custom page generation is available in TouchChat, LAMP Words for Life, Unity AAC, and Dialog. It lets you list words all at once, assign symbols, and generate a brand new page in just a few steps. This is especially helpful when you're creating fringe vocabulary pages, like favorite topics, professional terminology, or seasonal interests. On compatible devices, custom page generation can also work with AI page generation. When AI is turned on, the app can suggest word lists based on a topic. You're always in control, so you can edit, remove, or add words before creating the page. Before we jump in, one important reminder. Customizing a vocabulary file should always be done mindfully and purposefully. Over the years, we've learned there are best practices that help protect motor planning and language development. If you'd like a deeper dive on that, be sure to check out the video linked here. For this tutorial, I'll be using TouchChat, but the steps work the same way in LAMP Words for Life, Unity AAC, and Dialog. Example 1. Creating a page from a list of words. Let's start by creating a new page from a list of words we already have, like adding the names of classmates. Open the People page. Choose Menu, then Edit Page. Select a blank button and choose Edit this button. Enter the button label Classmates in all caps to show that this button is a category button. After entering the name, close the keyboard using the blue key or the key in the bottom right corner. A symbol may be suggested, or you can choose one from the symbol library, import a photo, or take your own picture. If you have an Apple Intelligence compatible device, you have the option to generate your own image. Once you have the symbol you want, scroll to the bottom of the menu. Under Button Actions, choose Edit and Delete Speech Message. Select Add, then scroll to Navigate and choose it. Select the plus at the top and choose Custom Page Generation. Now you can start adding names. In the field that says Add your own word or words, enter a name. Choose the plus or the return key to add it to the list. Repeat this until all names are added. Just like when adding individual words, the app will try to assign symbols automatically. Some may not be applicable. You can select the image next to a word to change it. Search the symbol library. Choose a photo, open the camera, generate an image, or clear the image. When you're finished, choose Save. If a word already exists in the vocabulary, the app lets you know with a blue plus icon. If you try to save your new page, a pop-up message will let you know you have duplicates and you can't move on until you resolve this. Select OK. If you want to remove some or all of the duplicates, select Edit. You'll have the option to select specific words to remove, or you can choose to remove all duplicate words. Then select Done. If you want to keep the duplicate words, you select the blue plus icon next to each word. Once everything looks right, select Save. Enter a page name, then save. Choose No Animation. Then select Save again, then Done. And that's how to create a custom page from a list of words. Example 2. Creating a topic page using AI page generation. Now let's create a custom page using AI support. On an Apple Intelligence compatible device, open the menu, choose Settings, and scroll to the AI Features section. Turn it on, and select Yes to continue. Make sure AI page generation is enabled. Then select the blue checkmark. Now, let's pretend I'm a big fan of baseball and want a page with all kinds of baseball-specific terms. I'll go to Groups, then the Sports page. Select Menu, then Edit Page. Select the Baseball button and choose Edit This button. Rename it Baseball in all caps to show that this button is a category button. Then close the keyboard. Now scroll to the bottom of the menu. Under Button Actions, select Edit, and then Delete Speech Message. Now select Add. Scroll to Navigate and choose it. Select the plus, then choose Custom Page Generation. In the sidebar, type in baseball as your topic, then close the keyboard. Adjust how many words you want AI to suggest. Then select Generate. Just like before, review the list and approve or remove duplicates. Want more suggestions? Select Generate again, and AI will try to generate other related words. You can also enter another related topic word or words and ask AI to generate more terms. You can also add your own words at the top. The only limit is the number of blank spaces on the page, as indicated here. Update symbols as needed. You can also create your own image with the image generator. Learn more about this in the video linked above. When you're ready, select Save. Name your page and select Save. Choose No Animation, then Save again. Select Done. Well done! Now you're ready to create a custom page with the help of AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe so you never miss any AAC tips and tricks. See you next time!